David, or can I help?
Yes.
Vicky, on. I have one possible victim lying on the floor. Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? The victim is unresponsive. Ma'am, please call 911 when I assess the victim. Mouth and nose are clear. No obstruction seen. Initiating through ventilation. Maximum head tilt. Wala na head tilt. Head tilt. Pinch nose. Low. Air bounces back. Low. Air bounces back. I suspect that the patient is choking, possibly choking. Ma'am, please follow up ambulance when I give 5 abdominal thrust. Abdomen. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obstruction seen. Obstruction removed. Initiating ventilation. Low. Air passes through. Low. Air passes through. Still unconscious. Checking for pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative pulse, negative breathing. Ma'am, please follow up ambulance when I give 5 cycles of CPR. So pag adult, dalawang kamay. Okay, dalawang kamay. Matigas po yung buto, kaya po kailangan itong ang posisyon nyo ay pwede nakaganito, pwede pong nakaganito, kung sa kayo komportable, yung iba nakaganyan. So anyway, ako nakaganito ako. And then, kailangan po yung shoulders ninyo ka-align ng kamay ninyo. No bend. Pansinin nyo po dapat hindi magbe-bend ang elbow. Pag nag-bend po kasi yung elbow ninyo, hindi nyo gano'n makakompress yan. So, kailangan talaga yung bigat ninyo yung big ninyo sa kanila. Okay? Malambot ito. Sige. So, gentle na lang po, no? Flat-chested na po siya. Natin. So, okay. 5 cycles of CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Low, air passes through. Low, air passes through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Low, air passes through. Low, air passes through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Low, air passes through. Low, air passes through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Low, air passes through. Low, air passes through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Low, air passes through. Low, air passes through. Checking for pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Patient has positive pulse, negative breathing. Ma'am, please follow up ambulance while I proceed to rescue breathing. 24 cycles. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 2. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 3. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 7. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 8. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 9. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 10. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 11. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 12. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 20. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 40. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 50. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 60. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 70. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 80. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 90. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 20. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 21. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 22. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 23. Low. 1, 2, 3, and 24. Low. Checking for pulse and breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fasting pulse, fasting breathing. Proceed to the talking position. Ma'am, sa sideline ko po kayo papunta sa akin. Isang kamay. Kung saan siya sa sideline, yun yung itataas ninyo. Kung saan yung opposite na kamay, yung across. Ganito po siya, ha? Ayan. Yung kabilang binte, across. So kung saan pupunta, yun po yung naka-cross din nila dito, naka-cross. Okay? Assuming naka-cross, kita nyo, cross na cross, di ba? Amputated. Yan. Side lying, hawak lying behind the shoulder, behind the balakang, the hips, okay? Count of 3, ang sa side lying tayo, papunta sa akin. 1, 2, 3. So again, kailangan lagi. Gusto po. So 10 bad circulation again. Himas-himas lang po sa likod. Sa upper back po yan, sa baby. So after 5 minutes, biga ko na pumunta kayo. Ma'am, paano kung after 5 minutes, wala pa rin yung ambulansya? Sideline siya sa kabilang side. Hanggang sa dumating yung ambulansya. Nakailang yung ganun siya. Or iba, pinuupo na siya pa-konti-konti. Pero pinaka mas maganda ay nakahiga pa din po siya. Either supine or side lying. Kasi kung mayroon ibang injuries, hindi natin siya mape-prevent po. So, mag-check tayo ng secondary survey. Tulad sa baby, from the head, no blood, no guts. From the neck, no blood, no guts. From the shoulders to the arms, no blood, no guts. From the chest, no blood, no guts. Sa abdomen, no blood, no guts. Sa legs, hanggang sa paa, no blood, no guts. So, recovered na po siya. Okay? So, yun. Question?